Good morning to all of you. First, I welcome to all the student delegates, invited speakers in inter-university graduate student online seminar competition cum webinar on sustainable development with women empowerment in relation to sericulture and apiculture. Friends, as all you know, today it is my privilege to be here to given information about Indian Science Congress Association. It has very large research oriental history which play a very important role in the development of scientific temper among the researcher and students. As far as its beginning is concerned, the Indian Science Congress Association owes its origin to the foresight and initiative of two British chemists, namely Professor J.L. Simpson and Professor P.S. McMahon. The first meeting of the Congress was held from January 15 to 17, 1914 at the premises of Asiatic Society of Calcutta, which will be Honorable Justice Sir Asutosh Mukherjee, the then Vice Chancellor of the Calcutta University, as President. 105 scientists and from different parts of India and abroad attended the paper and the paper numbering 35 were divided into 6 sections: botany, chemistry, ethnography, geography, physics, zoology, under 6 section precedents. There are now 14 sections, namely agriculture and forestry sciences, animal veterinary and fishery sciences, anthropological and behavioral sciences, chemical sciences, earth sciences, engineering sciences, environmental sciences, information and communication sciences and technology, material sciences, mathematical sciences including statistics, medical sciences including physiology, new biology including biochemistry, biophysics, molecular biology and biotechnology, physical sciences, plant sciences, and one committee, science and society. In the current scenario, Indian Science Congress has 14,000 members across India. Every year, inauguration by the hands of Honorable Prime Minister of India. For your information, schedule as the conference is fixed on 3 to 7 January every year. Indian Science Congress now 14 chapter in India, out of which one belongs to Maharashtra, that is Amravati chapter. Indian Science Congress established in year 2008 with genuine initiative taken by our beloved teacher and guiding lamp for us, led Dr. G.N. Wankhede sir. After the establishment during the tenure of then convener of Indian Science Congress, chapter conducted various activities, out of which I would like to mention one of them. Third is Conference of Asian Society of Arachnology, which was attended by participants from 14 scientists from 18 countries. Specially of this conference is that cognizance of this event was taken by Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. For the great success conference, I am shouldering the responsibility of convener Indian Science Congress Association Amravati chapter from 2014. Presently, we are the conducted various function according to theme of the ISCA every year. Today's function is the part of this activity, and I would like to inform you that this year the Indian Science Congress has cancelled and it is shifted to 2022 and scheduled to be held at Symbiosis Institute at Pune on theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment. Being a convener of Amravati chapter, I would like to invite you to participate in this intellectual feast. Further, I would like to congratulate to Dr. R.M. Bhise sir, Principal, Shri Shivaji College Akola, and coordinator of this function and convener of this function, Dr. P.P. Ade, and all Indian Science Congress member of Shri Shivaji College, Akola, for this beautiful organization. Thank you very much.